What's going on? This is the Bird Dog from the Redneck channel, chilling at the Redneck Lounge. I'm going to go through on the everyday carry for you guys. Alright, here we go. That's it. I'm just kidding, but that's important. I got my keys. I locked those in the truck the other day. I was pretty pissed with my coffee. Just bought my coffee, didn't even take a sip of it, locked it in the truck. Thank God for AAA. Got the money in the fancy little clip. Holds money on one side, your cards on the other. Whole bunch of cards. Love that thing. And then I got the old school Husky. I've had this thing for at least 6 years. Don't need to replace it. Thing works great. I recommend them. And then the iTouch. I love this damn thing. It's got all my music on there, videos, put movies on it, wireless internet. What more could you ask for? Books, download books on the thing. Got the Boulder phone. It's supposed to be the most die-hard phone there is. I've had to replace the damn thing 3 times just for it crapping out on me for no reason at all. This one, I give it some respect though. I left it on my buddy's van. We were getting ready to go to the beach on a big trip. Started driving down the interstate. We were probably going 50 when we heard some strange noise. Couldn't figure out what it was until I said, oh shit, I left my phone on top of the fucking van. The thing was fine, had one little scratch in it. Battery didn't even pop off. And then, no brainer, safety, nothing's over there. Kel-Tec P3 AT, smallest 380. You've seen that before a couple times, so I won't talk about it too much. And then I've got the daddy. Oh yeah, that's right. Safety. Nothing. That's my baby right there. I love this gun. I know a lot of you don't like it. Probably just because of price reasons, so you just talk shit because you just would spend so much money on whatever you got. But I had a Glock 17 before. I've shot in my other buddy's Glocks quite a few times. And I'll tell you one thing, I can shoot from a lot further away with this at a smaller object and hit it. But if I shoot with the Glock, I wouldn't come close to accuracy as far as distance and whatnot. So, just the comfort of it and everything. I love this gun. I've thought about upgrading to other guns with all the talk about the SIG and whatnot, and I'd love to have one, but I don't see myself spending $1,000 on a gun anytime soon. And why fix what's not broke? Alright, so that's the everyday carry. To be honest with you, I carry a backpack with me every day too, but I'm not going to go through that and pull out all the junk that I probably don't even know is in there. You guys might think that's gay, but at least I don't carry a fanny pack around with me. War. I give a quick shout out to the lovely Heather with her beautiful videos. I love those. And you too, Jeff, obviously. But there's the beer nip shout out. This is the Bird Dog. I'm going to sign off, so make sure you comment on the video, subscribe to the video, rate the video, and leave a comment even if it's negative. I don't care. I can handle it. I'm not nothing fancy. I'm not going to block you from our channel. You can still watch. Later.